Now, if you remember yesterday, we were talking about the function. And I said that if, for example, if we have a function f of x equal to, let's suppose the function is x squared plus 5. All right. And we are asked to find f of minus 2. Now, what is the meaning of f of minus 2? I told you yesterday that f of minus 2 mean if I have to find f of minus 2, it mean I have to put minus 2 in place of x in the given function f. Okay. So what f of minus 2 will become? F of minus 2 will become minus 2 square plus 5. And if you will calculate it, minus 2 square is obviously 4 and plus 5, that will make 9. Okay. Now in the same way, so now you have to, in general, if you have to remember whatever is, for example, if it is given f of x over 3, what it mean? It mean in the function f, in place of x, you will write x over 3, because right now, what is the meaning of f of x over 3 mean? In place of x, you will write x over 3. So this function will become f of x over 3 will be equal to, in place of x, write x over 3. So it will become x over 3 square plus 5. And then we can further simplify it, because sometimes you are asked to simplify it further. So what can I do? I can write it. This will be x square over 9 plus 5. And now this is fraction. And you know how from the fraction we can make a single denominator. So here this is 1. So up and down, if you will multiply with 9, now easily you can write the 9 as the denominator. So it will be x square plus 5 times 9 is 45. So this is the simplest form of f of x over 3. Okay. So point to say here is the general point that you have to remember. By the way, 2-3 students even asked me today, sir, don't take the class. But I said, I'm sorry, I must have to take today's class. If other classes of the week, obviously we took them, there was no issue, but we could not take the previous classes. So that's why these recordings, inshallah, I will also make them available. Okay. Now, if for example, if I say g of 5, what it mean? Anybody can mention? What is the meaning of g of 5? G of 5 mean in g, in place of x, put 5. Yes, that is the meaning of g of 5. Now, one more thing is, let's suppose I'm taking two functions here. I'm going to take two functions. One of the function f of x is x plus 3. Another function g of x is x over 3. Okay. Now, sometime you might be asked, remember, if it is written in this way, f g of x, how we will read it? We will read it f g of x. I will write here how we will read it. We will read it f g of x. Okay. What does it mean? Sometimes you might see it's written in this way, f of g of x. Okay. Or sometime it might be just like this one, f into g. So it doesn't mean that we will multiply them. Basically, if it is written f g of x, it means put g of x in f, in place of x. So if, for example, if you have f of x, or instead of this one, just it can be written in this form. What it mean? It mean put f of x in f, in place of x. Okay. If, for example, sometime you might be asked f square x, it means you can write it in this way, f of x. Now, what is the meaning of this one? Put f of x in f. Okay. For example, if it is given in this way, like g f of x, what does it mean? It means put f of x in g. What you have to do? put f of x, it means put f of x in G. Okay, for example, if you are asked to write g of x, what it mean? It means whatever is here on the right side, put this one in G, put g of x in G. That is its meaning. Okay, let's take this example that, let me open the new page and we will take this example over here. Question is your f of x is x plus 3 and g of x is x over 5. Let's suppose this one is. Okay. Now what you have to do is, the question is saying that you have to find the following things. First of all, you have to find f g of x. Then you have to find g f of x. Okay. Then you have to find f of x. And then you are asked to find g of x. Okay, all these four things we will find here. First of all, I'm going to do first part where I have to find f g of x. Now, what is the meaning of f g of x? It means put gx in f. Now, this is your f, yes? So here, wherever you are having x, write gx. So what it will become? It will become gx plus 3. Because this is x. So in place of x, you will write gx. Because we are finding f g of x. So in place of x, you will write gx. Then you have the value of gx. Write the value of gx. What is gx? It is x over 5. So in place of x, you will write x over 5 plus 3. Now you have to simplify. About the simplification in algebra, we already studied that. If you have fraction, then make this also fraction. Then make the similar denominator. How we can make the same denominator? Up and down, multiply with 5, so same denominator we can get. Now 5 is the same denominator, write it. It will become x plus 15. So this is our f g of x in the simplest form. Okay. Now in the second part, you have to find g f of x. Now what it mean? It mean put f of x in G. This is your G. It mean here in place of x, write f of x. So it will be f of x over 5. Then write the value of f of x. What is the value of f of x? It is x plus 3. So write x plus 3. Over 5 is already there. That is. Now, third part, you have to find f of x. Okay. It means this is your f of x. Okay. In f of x, because already I explained you the meanings, that what is the meaning of f of x? F of x mean put fx inside f. Where x will be, there it means here you will write fx. Okay. So that will become fx plus 3. Now then write the value of fx. We know fx is x plus 3. So write it x plus 3 plus 3. What this will become? This will become x plus 6. Okay. Then next is g of x. Can any one of you tell me what is the meaning of g of x? Gx mean put gx inside the g. It means where is x, you have to write in this place, you will write gx. First write, okay, it will become gx over 5. Then write the value of gx. What is gx? It is x over 5, already over 5. Yes. You know, denominator, you can write it in this way, x over 5 divided by 5. Yes. Or directly, instead of that one, why you to get confused? Directly denominator will multiply. Okay. So that will become x over 5 into 5. That will become x over 25. Understood? So if you know the meaning of this one, what is the meaning of f gx mean? Put gx in f. What is the meaning of g fx? It means put fx inside the g. What is the meaning of f fx? It means put fx inside the f. What is the meaning of g fx? It means put gx inside the g. Okay. Now let me take here, just give me 1 minute. I will open this sheet here and we will solve a sheet related to this one. Just 1 minute. Ravan, you join now. 1 second. Let me recommand it. All right. Here is our first question. You can see on the screen right now. Two functions are given. The first function is f of x. Yes. This is f of x and this is g of x. Question is find in its simplest form. Part A is f3x. What is the meaning of f3x? It means put, because if I write f3x, what it mean? It means put 3x in f, obviously in place of x. So it means where x is coming, write 3x. It will become 3 plus 4. Then in place of x, you have to write 3x because this is your fx. So in fx, in place of x, you will write 3x. Okay? Got it or not? Now just simplify it because question is saying it should be in the simplest form. So what it will become? It will become 3 plus 4 into 3 is 12. So it will become 12x. Now second part is find fgx. Now what is the meaning of fgx? It means put gx inside the f. So where x is coming, write gx. What it will be? It will be 3 plus 4. In place of x, you have to write gx because you are finding fgx. Okay, write gx. And then put the value of gx. What is the value of gx? It is 6x plus 7. So what it will become? 3 plus 4 into 6 is 24x plus 4 into 7 is 28. Now 3 plus 28 is 31 plus 24x. That is, we wrote it in the simplest form. Okay. All right. Now the second question. Second question is saying work out f of 2. What is the meaning of f of 2? F of 2 means you have to put f of 2 inside f. So it means first find your f of 2 because you have to put f2 inside f. So first you need to find f of 2. How you will find f of 2? By putting 2 in place of x here because this is your function f. So in place of x, put here 2. It will be 2 cube. It's 8. It means f of 2 is 8. Now what will be f of 2? It means inside the f, put f of 2. Mean it will be f of 2 cube. Because if I'm saying f of 2, it means put f2 in f. So what I did, this is my f, yes? In place of x, I wrote f2. Now I know what is the value of f of 2, it is 8. So write 8, 8 cube. Then simplify 8 cube. Okay, what is 8 cube? 8 to the power 3, 512. Okay. Then second part is saying g h of x. All right, let's simplify g h of x. It means, what is the meaning of g h of x? It means put hx inside the g. This is your g. So where x is coming, actually you will write hx. Okay. So what the result will become when you will find g h of x? It will become 3 into h of x minus 5. 3. Okay, in place of hx, write the value of hx. It's 3 into 2x plus 1 minus 5. And then simplify it using your algebra. 3 will multiply with 2x will become 6x. 3 will multiply with 1 will become plus 3 minus 5. So it will be 6x. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. That is your g h of x. Okay. Now inverse function we will take later on. So right now no need to do, because inverse function is a complete topic that inshallah in next topic we will complete, and even our function will finish. So that's why I'm not going to take it. First you have practice for the simple functions. Okay. Next, this one is find f g of minus 2. Can you try this one, please? This one is your f of x. This is your g of x. Try part A and B and let me know when you complete. I'm waiting. Okay. First take a try for this one, please. Yes, when you complete, please let me know. Okay. Who else finish, please? All right. Whether you finished or not, I want your attention, please. In the part A, you have to find f g of minus 2. It means first find g of minus 2. What will be g of minus 2? It means in g put minus 2. When you will put minus 2, it will become minus 2 square, because this is your g function, yes? So if you will put in, because when I'm saying g of minus 2, it means I have to put minus 2 in place of x. Okay. So putting this one will give me minus 2 square. That will become 4. Now, what is the meaning of f g of minus 2? It means put g of minus 2 in place of x. So here you will put g of minus 2. You can put the value directly, but I always recommend the student follow this technique. First, in place of x, write g of minus 2 and then write the value. What is the value of g of minus 2? The value is 4. So what you will get? 20 minus 3, which is 17. Okay. Then in the second part, you have to find g f of x. What is the meaning of g f of x? G f of x mean in g put fx. Now this is your g. In place of x, write fx. When you will write fx, what it will become? It will become fx square. Yes. Okay, now write the value of fx. What is the value of fx? It is 5x minus 3 whole square. Now the question is, you have to write in the simplest form. This is not the simplest form. There is a formula a minus b whole square. We can use it here, or alternative way, what you can do is you can say 5 minus 3 into 5x minus 3, because 2 times power is 2, so write it 2 times and then multiply them. Multiply this with this. 5x with 5x will be 25x square. Then 5x with minus 3 will be minus 15x. Then this will be minus 15x. Then this minus 3 with minus 3 is plus 9. So finally you will have 25x square minus 15 will be minus 30x plus 9. So that we found it in the simplest form. Okay. Part C is about the inverse function. Leave the inverse function here because we will do it later on. Or even if we will have the time today, so we will try to do it. Please let me know whether you finish this one or not. Done? Okay. Now next one is this. Good. Now next question is, this is your f of x. This is g of x. Question is saying find g f of 2. Can you try this please first, this part A, and let me know, because at least when you will try, you will have the idea and the real difficulties that you face. Please let me know. Done? Now I want every one of you to be attentive, please. We have to find g f of 2. First find f of 2. Because obviously to find g f of 2, first you should have f of 2. So find f of 2. How you will find f of 2? In place of x, put 2. 3 into 2 minus 2. So what this will be 6 minus 2, which is 4. Now we will find g f of 2. It means inside the g, put f of 2. Now this is your g. So it means here you have to put f of 2. It will become 2 over f of 2 plus 1. Now it is 2 over, what is f of 2? F of 2 is 4. So 4 plus 1. That will become 2 over 5. Okay. Part B is solve g of x equal to 10. Now you have to solve g of x equal to 10. It means you will put your gx equal to 10. What is your gx? Gx is 2 over x plus 1. So put 2 over x plus 1 equal to 10. Now this one is, you can shift it to the other side. Yes, it will become 2 equal to 10 into x plus 1. Solve mean you have to find the value of x, okay? So that will be 2 will be equal to 10x plus 10. So what we will get from here, shift 10 to the other side, it will be 2 minus 10 equal to 10x. 2 minus 10 is what? It is 8 equal to 10x. Now shift 10 to the other side, it is multiplying on this side, on the other side it will divide. Now 8 over 10, if you will write in the simplest form, it will become 4 over 5. You can check, sorry, 8 over 10. It will become 4 over 5. So it means the value of x is 4 over 5. Now part C is really interesting. It is saying that simplify f of 2x minus f of x plus 2. What is your f of x? Your f of x is 3x minus 2, okay? Now, as you have to find this one, so first you need to find f of 2x and f of x plus 2. So first what I will do, I will find f of 2x. What is f of 2x? It means in place of x, write 2x, okay? Because I'm finding f of 2x. So in place of x, I have to write 2x. It will be 3 into 2x minus 2. What it will become? 6x minus 2. This is f of 2x. In the same way, I will find f of x plus 2 because I have to simplify this one. So first I need this one and then I need this one. So this one is f of 2x that I found. Now I will find f of x plus 2. What is meaning of f of x plus 2? It means in place of x here write x plus 2. 3 into x plus 2 minus 2. What it will become? Now simplify. 3 into x will be 3x. 3 into 2 will be 6. So that will become 3x plus 4. Now put their values because as I have to find this one, to find this one, f of 2x minus f of x plus 2. What should I do? I will write the value. What this is f of 2x. What is f of 2x? It was 6x minus 2. So in its place, I will write 6x minus 2. Minus, whenever there will be minus, I must have to put the bracket because minus change the next sign. Then f of x plus 2. Now what is f of x plus 2? I will write this value. This is 3x plus 4. So what this will become? This will become 6x minus 2 minus. Now when I will remove the bracket 3x, this minus and plus will become minus. So I will get 6x minus 3x is 3x. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So that is the final answer for this one. Please make sure you understand this one. Okay. So whatever you have to find, what you need to do is, for example, it was asked to find this one. So I will find that value, this value, and then just will put accordingly. Pretty simple. If your algebra is good, then this will not be difficult at all to solve. Okay. Let's move to next. Now right now here, three functions are given: f of x, g of x, h of x. Question is find h f of 1. Can you try this please? And let me know when you finish. Yes, please let me know then. Okay, let's see now. I will solve it. We have to find h(f of 1). So first find f of 1. F of 1 mean in place of x write 1. It will be 1 minus 3 square. What is that? It is minus 2 square. So minus 2 square is equal to 4. Yes, good. Now we have to find h(f of 1). It mean in this function h, in place of x I will write f of 1. So it will become f of 1 cube. Now what is the value of f of 1? The value of f of 1 is 4. So it will become 4 cube. Now what is 4 cube? It is 64. Yes, it's 64. So I will write here 64. There are some things like x not equal to 1. What does it mean? Yes, remember, you don't have to do anything with that one. You mean to say this one, yes? This is a condition we call domain. Actually, we are not dealing with the domain here, okay? It actually tells us we cannot put x is equal to minus 1 in this function, because if you will write here minus 1, this function will become infinite function, okay? So we have nothing to do here, so leave it. In A level, we will deal with the domain and range. So for this one, just leave as it is. Now next one is inverse functions. Obviously, we will do it while doing inverse functions. Okay, next part is we have to find g(h) of x. Okay, what is g of x? Let me write the functions again. G of x is x minus 1 over 4. What is h of x? X cube, yes. Now we have to find g(h) of x. What is the meaning of g(h) of x? It means put hx inside the g. So here you have to write hx. It will become hx minus 1 over 4. And then write the value of hx. What is the value of hx? It's x cube. So it will become x cube minus 1 over 4. That's it. Next part D is saying find the solution to this equation f of x equal to 0. Okay, what is our f of x? Our f of x is x minus 3 square. Let me write here. So I will x minus 3 whole square. Okay, as the question is saying find the solution to the equation. So it means you will put x minus 3 square equal to 0, because f of x is equal to 0. So write the value of f of x. Okay. Now you have to find x. So first you need to get rid of square. Always to get rid of square, you have to take the square root on both sides. Take square root on this side, take square root on this side. The square and square root will cancel. I will get x minus 3 equal to 0. So shift 3 to the other side. X will be 0 plus 3, because shifting on the other side, this minus 3 will change to plus 3. So we will get x is equal to 3. Okay. Now, can you rejoin? So I will open the second sheet for the function as well. Please rejoin the link quickly.